Good morning, everyone. Debra here, and Finn somewhere. Oh, there's Finn. I knew he wasn't far away. We're just waking up, and when Finn wakes up, he says, "Good morning, Mama." The clip's, "Hi, baby." Okay. All right. No bite. No. Oh, good boy. Good settle. Good boy. He is learning his manners every day. They say he was, the shelter thought he was 3 years old. The vet, no bite. Good boy. Good, I know. Good boy. The vet thought he was 2, but gosh, guys, he acts like a 6-month-old. I just don't know. Anyway, the clips that you're about to see today were filmed over the last couple of days. Next up for me is painting my shed in Casita, but it's been raining. So I have a lot to do to get ready to hit the road, which includes, see, now he's settled, but he's off camera and y'all can't see him. When he settles, he just lays his little head down. Yeah. When he settles, he just lays his little head down. But anyway, I was saying it's raining, and I've got a lot to do to get ready to go to Quartzsite and hit the road. So what I decided to do, since I couldn't paint my shed in Casita, was to go ahead and transplant. Let's see, I transplanted 4 trees, a bush, dug up 3 others, got rid of 2 cactuses. Anyway, I'm sharing all of that with you in the next clips that you're going to see, and also a special announcement about Finn. So stay tuned for that. And if you want an update on and details on Phoenix and more about the video I shared yesterday about her repair and the new mechanic and what happened with the old one, I shared all of the details with Coco Fam, and you can join the Coco Fam for as little as $1 a month through my YouTube channel membership or as a patron. So please consider that. And in the meantime, enjoy these videos, these clips, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Good morning, everybody. Finn has now been with me 1 full month. Yay! I'm doing a lot of transplanting today, trying to beat the rains so that the newly transplanted plants can enjoy the rain. So I dug the holes out back here day before yesterday, and I've been putting water in them, one to get the ground ready and to make it easier to dig, and also around the plants that I'm going to transplant. This one is too close to my borderline, so I'm moving it here. I got this one off of a lot. I helped her clean up her lot, and same as that happened in the spring where that one came from, but this was another neighbor. I helped her clean up her lot and got that one. And let me show you, don't want to make you dizzy. Pardon my work pile. And that's the other one that I got off her lot that's in that pot. Come back over here. It will go there. And then underneath this is a willow, like the ones I'm planting. They get beautiful flowers, and I just love them. Underneath it is a New Mexico bird of paradise bush that is actually growing on my neighbor's lot and grown over, which I don't mind because I love them. But underneath there is a bird of paradise bush that I'm going to come back over here and put right there. The other thing that I'm transplanting today is I'm getting these flowers out of these long boxes, and there's another willow that I can transplant. But the other one that I'm doing is, I don't know if you can see it over there, but that mimosa. And these mimosas can get 20 feet wide as an adult. So I'm doing something. Hello, baby Finn. Hello, baby Finn. I'm doing something that might not seem logical. I'm taking up a parking space. My lot is still wide enough. This is Jana's van. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. My RV goes here, and hopefully she'll be ready today. Plenty of parking in front of her. Plenty of parking here. But I want shade on my Casita. The sun comes up and over this way as it sets. So I want shade on my Casita. And are you saying I'm ignoring you? Are you saying I'm ignoring you? No, no barky. No barky, buddy. And somebody told me I shouldn't be saying no to him, but that's his command. No barky. Anyway, same thing. I've been watering a hole there. And that's where I'm going to put the mimosa. That leaves 10 foot this way, 10 foot that way, and it won't go over on my neighbors. And it will provide shade for a vehicle here and for the RV. So, I don't know. I'm kind of second guessing myself. What do y'all think? Good boy. That was a good boy. Yeah. I have to say, too, that I'm enjoying this bench that Rob gave me as a housewarming. Really appreciate it. I can sit on it, and I'm about to turn it over like this and use it for a knee pad, and then the handles help me get up because I want to move some of the dirt away from the trunk of the tree so that it doesn't rot. So that's my day. What are y'all doing? Yesterday, I did transplanting. Jana helped me when I needed help to fill in and hold the bushes upright, but those are all what's called desert willows that I moved. This is a New Mexico bird of paradise, and this is what it looks like when it's bigger, and it has those beautiful flowers on it. What you doing, buddy? You gonna hang out while Mama does some yard work? Okay, and I also transplanted this mimosa. We got some rains, and so it is really perked up. I hope it makes it. And then today, since we got some rains, I'm going to dig these birds of paradise up that didn't make it from the spring when I transplanted them. Decided to not keep this cow tongue cactus, so I'm going to be getting rid of it. And Jana took the prickly pear that started off like a 2-inch little guy on my lot, and she put that on her lot yesterday. All right, we'll see how this goes. I don't want to get any of this crap on me, and I think I'm going to have to dig it up first. Yeah, I got to go get some tongs and dig, or my axe thing, and dig this up first. Got that done. There's the cactus, and Eric, our wonderful maintenance guy, will pick up the rest. I need to clean up these before we leave for the winter, but I'm getting there.